Hello, my name is Tuk. I would like to introduce you to my house in Bangkok. My mission is to renovate it to be livable again. I will record it from day one up to until it's finished according to my budget. So I hope you enjoy the videos and see you for the next time soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Now he trying to put the gutter up on the roof, and let's see. We hope that he will not fall down.
เป็นไรครับเป็นไรแล้วโดนมือนะอะไรโดนมือก็แล้วค่อยทำเอาเดี๋ยวค่อยทำเวลาจะยิงข้างก่อน
So now we just try to install it and like a half slide the empty space to the curve of the galvanized gutter, and now we just lock it with the plate that he cut it out from the PVC that he always call the cam, which means like half a belt. You can see like that.
เป็นพอดีเลยสองครับ
So now we're gonna do it another side. You see how he rolled it and then to slide the gutter to match and fit together with the galvanized plate. And now he will start again and then go to another side. You see.
Qua đây luôn. Đừng có lay áo không ạ. Lay áo không thì đi.
And now he will slide it. Put the loop, the galvanized loop up to the space that he cut it up. Now he just try to make it. And after is
เข้าแล้วก็เข้าเลยอ่ะ
fit in, then he just tie up with a belt again to lock it.
เข้าแล้วก็เข้าเลยพวกนี้ออกจบ
Okay, and now he will.
เจ๊
Okay.
100 ปี
Say 100 years
ล้างน้ำ100 ปี
for the gutter.
ล้างน้ำ100 ปี
It's durable and going to look nice as well. Now he's gonna lock it with a belt. See, you tie up there, then screw it. Alright, so we will finish with this, and then I think we will carry on the last one.
ล้างน้ำ100 ปีนะครับ
He said that Lang Nam Roy is mean like gutter for 100 years, and this is the idea of Thai people how to do the gutter. Alright, I hope you get some idea and see you for the next time. Bye bye.
ได้ราคาตามงบ
watching my videos. If you have any question or would like to comment, please feel free to do it. And if you enjoy it and would like to follow up my channel, please subscribe or give me a like or any comment and anything that you would like to discuss with me, please do it. And thanks again for watching my videos and see you for the next time. Bye bye.